I simply want to just get some summary statistics. The first one I can do is codebook. Codebook as a command, it will give some of the basic statistics about your data set. If you look here, age, this is one of my variable. It gives you the type of the data. This is numeric, the range of the values, units, how many unique values are there. It gives you the missing values also here. And as you get along, all the variables, if you use codebook, they will list the summary statistics, somehow sort the summary statistics for that given variable. You can also do summarize as another command. But summarize as a command, it will only give summary statistics for a given numerical variable. Our numerical variables in this case I'm sure of is age. If you click on age, you press enter, you will be able to get some summary statistics. The variable name, the observations, the mean, standard deviation, mean, and max. And how do we know that this is a numerical variable? If you do BR, that is to browse, or you come up here, look at this icon, data editor into bracket browse, and then you click on it, it will take you to your data set. You'll be able to see your data set. And in your data set, we can see that everywhere, if the data is black, if the entries are black, those are numerical values. These are, they are recorded as numerical values. If it is red, those are categorical variables in this case. So that is the easiest way you can see that. Of course, the other ways to see the data type is by simply using the property window, which is found down here below. If I click on any variable, let's say marital status I've clicked on, it gives you the information about it. And here type str, this is a string. So this is a string as a data structure. If I go back to age and then I click on age, the data type in this case, they are bytes, numericals. So that is also another way you can check the data type. Another way you can explore your data is to use the command describe. Describe, and then you choose any variable of choice. If you click enter, you will be able to see the variable name, the storage, display format, and then the variable label. Now describe will give you the same output as the property window. So in case you don't want to use the property window to look at the information about each variable within your data set, you can literally use describe. So just type describe in small letters, okay? Describe, small letters, and then let's say I want this one, abortion. So I add that word, enter, and you will be able to see the summary statistics for that given variable. Now, those are just basics first.